Hello third graders. Today I'm just going to give you a quick tutorial on how to set up your title pages if you ever want to use a PowerPoint or anything for our assignments and projects. I'll probably have you do that here in the future. This is your title box. So say we're going to make a presentation over the different types of ice cream. So I'm just going to title it ice cream. In order to change the color of this or change the font, you'll highlight it like this. And then you'll go up and you should be on home, the home tab up there. You can drop that box down and it'll give you different fonts. So I'm going to go with, there's millions of fonts, so you can pick whatever you want. But today I'm just going to do this one. Say I want it to be bigger so it's more bold, since it's ice cream's a pretty short word. So we'll just drag that up as high as it goes. In order to change the color of it, you'll drop down. It looks like an A. You'll drop it down. I can't fit my screen up in the tab up there, so I can't really show you guys which ones to click. But ice cream's kind of fun, so we're going to go to more colors. And then as you see on this color wheel, you can pick anything you want. So I'll just go with a pink. And click off of that, and then this tab right here, click to add subtitle. That's usually where you put your name. So I'll put by Miss Luetters. And then again, just like the ice cream, you can highlight it and change the font. I'm gonna actually match the fonts, so I'll do this one. I'll make that a little bit bigger since this is the only thing on my title screen. And then I'll also change that color to orange. In order to change the background, you can either insert a picture or do really whatever you want in order to do that. But we will, for now, let's see. You can right click on your thing, on your mouse pad, and you'll click Format Background. And my computer's going super slow right now. Okay, and then after you double tap with both fingers on your mouse pad, you'll see right here you can do a solid fill, which is all one color, or you can do picture, you can insert a picture as your background, or pattern fill, you can do stripes, polka dots, but for now I'll just do a solid color. So we'll click here where it says fill, and then we'll go down here to color. You'll get a drop down box, and then again we'll just do more colors, and usually you'll want to do a darker background so it's easy to see your text, but if we have dark colors like this right here, we can do any color. We'll just do, let's try that fun color. Oh, there we go. And just like that, and then we're running out of time here, but you can insert pictures and stuff, and I can show you how to do that in class, and this is just how you make a simple title page.